What if your vehicle could repel mud, dirt, scratches, or other environmental contaminants and render rainwater, snow, and ice incapable of leaving streaks in water spots? What if your car is self-cleaned? Let's take a closer look at what your car's paint surface actually looks like. If you zoom in 100 times, you can see the car's surface is not flat, but actually a jagged surface full of pores. And this is what happens when dirt from the environment bombards it over just a few days. Dirt begins to build up on the pores. Now let's see what happens when we apply Liquid Shine, home of the original hard shell. The nanoparticles are so small that when applied to a surface, they seal all the pores, forming a completely invisible sacrificial layer. Dirt and mud are separated as they have nothing to stick to. Check out Liquid Shine, home of the original hard shell.